This is SANWAY. It's a 10 by 10 tent, comes in a number of colors, one-step pop-up, easy to install and disassemble. We're going to show you what this tent is about. I stand 6 feet tall and I can easily walk in. We have the tent, pop-up tent, rolls on the sand. We're going to set up by unpacking and removing from the packages. This one comes in white. This is your top. As we move the frame out and expand, we have the sandbags. Expand it all the way out. Making sure the tabs are released. Lift, grab the center push, and you are just like that. To unrelease and bring back down, simply grab. All you need to do is grab into the locking mechanism and now lift up your feet. Grab each of the feet and open. They have clicking points for the height. The next step is to grab the cover and place on. We have is a silver side to reflect and a white side to reflect. We have hooks that hook on to the holes. Once everything is set up, then you're able to raise up to the height you need. On the other side, repeat and lift for the height. Uneven surfaces, you're able to adjust by bringing the height higher or lower. In this demonstration, we have the sandbag. It goes around the poles on the inside and onto the frame. Inside, each of the Velcros attach like so and locks down. As you lock down everything to the top, you close in your tent, your canopy. We have the opening right here with the zipper. Each intertwines and locks into place like so. Set up at a beach, poolside, picnic area, portable anywhere that you need to take a pop-up tent. On the top of the tent, we have breathe holes, air circulation, 2 ways to enter with your choice of putting on one of the sides, indoor zipper, for easy access in and out. With each tie down area, place your string in. This is SANWAY. One click setup, matter of seconds, and preparing and putting on your cover. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is what you are looking for, in a pop-up tent, 10 by 10 all around. This is the SANWAY. Comes nicely boxed. The A104M 10 by 10 pop-up tent. Easy single one position push-up to open up. Throwing the top, sides on, and setting up with bags of sand for your pool, camping, by the beach, and more. Weighs in at 40 pounds with its own carrying bag. We're going to open it up, show you what you get inside the box, and set it up outside by the beach. SANWAY comes in 6 available colors that can be checked online. Has one handle on top. On the bottom we have plastic protectors so you can stand up correctly. Releasing the buckle clip mounts on both sides and unzipping the carrying bag. Inside you have your side covers, your aluminum non-rust bars and setup. Frame to be cut, removed the protective strap. Underneath will be everything that you need to hook up additional. Inside the package accessory bag in black, Velcroed, are your sandbags, your stakes, and whales to put on the casing, with your instructions and tie-down rope. Please remove the nut. It is a nylon metal nut. Place on your whales one way. Slide through the bottom hole. Place the second wheel on and lock down. Nice large carrying case with the cloth covering the hard bottom. We're going to place everything back in, removing and placing back in your product. We're going to place back in, seating each of the corner legs on the board. Allowing for proper closure. Once correctly closed, we have handles on the back, on the top, and we're able to foot it, roll it to the beach like so. We're going to set this up and take it down and show you what the product looks like. Disassembly. Have as an open canopy with open sides, as you can see. Collapse each of the pole, lift the cover up, and close the backs down by lifting. Inside, press, pull, and close. Your pop-up tent. Have a great day.